Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. It's January 3rd, 2018, and I'm down here on the lake at my house in central New Hampshire, Lake Winnisquam. About a week ago, the lake froze, and it's been bitter cold. This is a record-breaking winter, and it's been at 0 or below 0 for almost 8 days now, and the ice has gotten pretty thick. And I'm going to check to see how thick it is. But it's absolutely gorgeous, epic ice. It's smooth as glass, and the neat thing is it's crystal clear. You can see all the way through to the bottom, and that's very rare. And 24 hours from now, you're not going to be able to see this anymore because a big storm's coming. We're going to get a lot of snow, and depending on how the snow is, if it's a dry snow, it might blow off the lake, and you'll see the ice again, but there's a really good chance the ice is going to get snow covered, and then that's it. You're not going to see it anymore. So I'm going to use my Bosch cordless drill. I'm going to try to see how thick the ice is, because my son and I have got a bet. I think that the ice is close to a foot thick right now, and he thinks it's a lot less. So let's get to work. Okay, it looks like the ice is about 11 to 12 inches thick, as best as I can tell. So, pretty daggone thick. If you go to different websites, you'll discover, I think that if the ice is over 6 inches thick, you know, and it's that thickness across the whole lake, you can drive a car on it. So, I would say 12 inches, I could easily put my pickup truck on the ice. Down about, I don't know, 1,000 feet away, some ice fishermen are out here. This is really the weather they look for. It's really fantastic. It actually feels like a spring day. It's about 27 degrees right now, and that's the warmest it's been in about 9 days. Prior to that, the most it had gotten to was about 12 degrees, I think, about 4 days ago. So I feel like it's springtime. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to give you another last shot of this epic black ice. I mean, literally, it's as smooth as glass. If you've never been on ice like this before, it's an ice skater's dream ice. And there's the ice has got all kinds of humps in it. Right by my dock, gosh, it's humped up almost, oh my gosh, at least 2 feet. And pretty dramatic what this ice does. I mean, it really moves around, puts a lot of stress, you know, against the shore and the rocks, and really pretty crazy stuff. So I'm going to also get some video and show you this giant ice flow of the groundwater that is seeping out of the granite bedrock, and as it gets to the surface, it just freezes like a huge solid, I don't know, kind of like a lava flow is about the best way to describe it. So wintertime in central New Hampshire, it can be pretty beautiful. Just bundle up. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.